Hello viewers, welcome to Mishti's Ideas. My name is Mishti and today I'm gonna show some food item suggestions for upcoming Eid. After 30 days of Ramadan, Muslims around the world will celebrate Eid al-Fitr. It's a really joyous occasion and we should all get a chance to enjoy this day. So instead of spending hours in the kitchen on the night before Eid or even during Eid day, my suggestion is to prepare some items ahead of time and freeze them. Make one or two specialty dishes on the day of Eid and get some other items from outside. With this mix and match concept, preparing for Eid menu will be a breeze and you'll get some time to pamper yourself and enjoy with your loved ones. So let's see how we can achieve that. Now, one of the main attraction of Eid is sweets. We like to present different kinds of sweet items for our Eid menu. I personally can't make traditional sweets, so I usually buy them. But one of my go-to item for Eid table is payesh or rice pudding. I'm not giving any recipes in this video. It is pretty simple to make, under 45 minutes. It looks and tastes amazing, and you can definitely make something like this on the day of the Eid. Another really scrumptious looking dessert is truffles. My son actually made these. They're made with condensed milk and cocoa powder. They're really pretty to look at and a definite crowd pleaser. My adult friends and kids, they all love it. You can also serve some halwa or barfi. This is butter daler halwa. I actually made them during Ramadan and I froze some, so I just thought and serve some for Eid day. Again, cut my work time by 4 hours. And next I have some sweet yogurt or mishti doi. My sister actually makes amazing doi, so I just borrowed some from hers. You can also switch it with some type of a custard. Last but not the least, I always serve some fresh fruits on my Eid table because not everybody likes traditional sweets. So you can offer alternatives like dried fruits or nuts so that everybody has a choice, and these you can just buy it from the store. Next, we'll move on to the savory section. One of the staple item on my Eid table is fuchka and chatpati, which also goes by pani puri or golgappa. Make a note on how I have presented it. I made it look kind of like a rustic look, and I used a little pot to pour the water in, the tamarind water, and then I have crushed some of the fuchkas with a little bit of chana in it. Again, I've prepared the chana ahead of time and I bought the fuchkas from the store, so the whole thing took me about 15 minutes to make. Another quick and easy recipe is the paneer tikkas. These are cheese curds that I've marinated for about 10-15 minutes and I barbecued them again for 10-15 minutes. I served them with naan. Looks really cute on the skewers. Another crowd-pleasing item is Xayomi Kebab, which are made with minced meat. You can prepare these ahead of time and freeze them uncooked. So on the day, all you have to do is just fry a few and nicely decorate before serving. They go great with naan or plain pulao. Next, I have Haleem. I actually made a huge batch during Ramadan and I set aside a big bowl of it in the freezer, which I'm just reusing for Eid. They don't taste any different and just the garnish is fresh. So again, it cuts your work time by several hours but makes your Eid menu as good. And finally, I have some barbecued chicken. I usually prepare them the day before. So on the Eid day, it's just heat and serve and something different that everybody tends to love. You can serve it with some caramelized onions, some red onions, a little bit of chaat on the side too. And finally, I want to talk about presentation. If you're gonna serve something on a flat platter and it's gonna be at the back of the table, use some heights to emphasize it. If you're gonna use a tablecloth, put some books under the tablecloth so you can get various heights, just like the restaurant style. It makes it pleasant to look at. For the background decoration, I will definitely share the link below for our previous tutorial. Well, I hope you liked our arrangement for Eid. Like I said, Eid is for everybody to celebrate, so don't spend all your time in the kitchen. Mix and match, get some things from outside, make some things, and enjoy it with your loved ones. Eid Mubarak. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more videos like this at Mishti's Ideas. Thank you.